Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to your GIS in Landscape Architecture class. Inshallah today we will learn a lesson on the introduction of MapInfo Pro, okay, the software that you will be using for your GIS class. Okay, first thing first, I would like you to open your software MapInfo Pro 17.0 as the one that I have requested you to install. I hope everybody is ready with the software so that you can follow the hands-on step-by-step that I will show you later. Okay, before we start, I would like to address some little things about MapInfo Pro. Okay, basically this MapInfo Pro is a software that is widely used among urban planners, landscape architects, designers and whatnot. Okay, in relation to your study, you are now doing your landscape resource planning project in the landscape resource planning studio. Okay, we are going to use MapInfo Pro to develop your suitability analysis maps, which will result in the composite maps development by using the overlay technique. Alright, before you can embark to that stage, I would like to bring you to understand the idea of MapInfo Pro as a software. I hope everybody is ready. Alright, okay, first thing first, if you can see, if you have opened your software, this is the MapInfo Pro 17.0. The interface, the first interface looks like this. Okay, as you can see on the left, there will be a panel that consists of open workspaces and some files buttons and also programs. So this is just as similar as what you have in the Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and other software as well. So this is the panel bar that can help us to start our workspace. Alright, so as you are entering a new workspace, you don't have any last save sessions to be open. Okay, so you need to open the blank workspace. Okay, the first step is click this blank workspace. Okay, and it will bring you to this interface. So as you can see here in this, as my cursor are showing you, this is the blank workspace that you have just created. Okay, that is the first step, step 1. Okay, second step is you want to know the interface of the MapInfo Pro. Okay, as you can see, as I have mentioned in our last class, the first bar over here that have Pro Home Table Maps, Partial Layout and Raster is the quick command bar. Okay, the quick ribbon or quick command bar. Alright. Okay, this quick ribbon will show you many drop-down menus if you click on it. Right. For example, if you click on Home, you will see Open Table, Save Workspace, Save and other things. Okay. For example, if you want to click Open, you will find many workspaces, tables, programs, bitmaps and web services. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Okay, how GIS works or how the software works. Okay, there are two things that you need to know. Okay, at this stage, for a beginner to use the GIS. GIS has many formats to be saved as. Okay, as you can see here, untitled.war, WOR. WOR means workspace. Alright, so workspace is this. It's the file that you are created, the platform that you are created for your work. Alright, second one, you have to know that GIS or MapInfo Pro also work with the file names table. Okay, and the shortcut, okay, the shortcut format name for it is tab, TAB. Alright, so workspace is WOR, tab is TAB. And another one is when you want to do some drawings on top of this workspace, okay, you will need to create a shape file. Okay, shape file. Shape file in this format will become a shortcut as SHP. Okay, shape file. Okay, these are the three things, the three formats that you need to know as for now. Okay, the first one is workspace, WOR, table, tab, and also shape file, SHP. Alright, I hope that you can understand and remember these three particular formats. Okay, for example, if you click open, on open, you can see like open workspace, add workspace, table will actually being saved as tab. Okay, universal database table and whatnot. Okay, these are the things that are going to be, you will learn it like in a much later stage. Okay, if you are interested in GIS. And then it also have some base maps, route, hybrid, and also other kind of formats of maps that you can find. All right. Okay. For example, if you put under, if you click under the tab of table, okay, you can actually create a new table. If you create a new table, it will pop up something like this, in which you want to create a new database, okay, which is in the form of table, right? Okay, if you can see this map, you can see the same thing as you can see at home. Okay, if you want to insert, okay, these are the tools that you want to create your shapefile later on, which consists of lines and also polygons as well as points. Okay, this is the tools, okay, that you will do, the drawing tools that you will need to create your maps later on. All right, these are the styles. For example, you want to change its color, you want to change its thickness and whatnot, then you can do it over here in style. All right. Okay, for any other like spatial, layout and raster, these are the more advanced features in MapInfo Pro. Okay, if let's say you it has something, if you have learned AutoCAD, right, it has something like if you want to do fillet, you want to do like the curve from a sharp corner, then this is where it can be used inside the MapInfo. But it is much more different in the sense that the context of modification will actually affect the information that you are given to that map. All right. Okay, layout is also like AutoCAD. Okay, you can process your own layout, how you want your map to be, to look like on a simple layout, or even you want to have a legends over here, or even a table and whatnot, so that you can choose, okay, from the layout tab. Raster is another thing, is where from you will convert your drawing from vector to raster. Okay, I will tell you what is vector, what is raster later on. All right, I hope that, okay, now you can understand how the ideas of the MapInfo Pro, the interface look like. Okay, I still remember, okay, when one of you asked me, if let's say this Explorer panel is missing. Okay, this Explorer panel is actually the panel bar that will show the layer of your maps. Okay, for example, if you open a layer of maps over here, it will show, like for example, a layer of circulation, a layer of vegetation, a layer of wildlife. It will appear here on the left. Okay, but what if this button, this panel bar is missing? I mean, like it's hidden and whatnot. Okay, for example, if I hide it, okay, where will you find it back? All right. Okay, first you can go to tool home. Okay, go to home, you go to tool windows. Okay, and you click over it, then you will find here things. This is called the Explorer button just now, right? The Explorer panel just now. Okay, you click, then it will be back. As simple as that, with just one click. All right. Okay, I hope that will actually answer some of your queries on the past class. Okay, now I think I would like for you to try on your own to explore the interface first. Okay, where is this and where is that? All right, with that, thank you.